Hi friends, welcome to my channel Simple Learning Tips. So in today's video we'll be finding out quartile deviation for ungrouped data. Okay, now I'll leave the link for my previous video wherein we had discussed the theoretical portion of quartile deviation, where I've included formulas for quartile deviation of ungrouped data, grouped data. Okay, so you can check that out before moving on to the practical problems of quartile deviation to get a better understanding. Okay, now here I've given a question. Now this is how to calculate quartile deviation for ungrouped data. Now calculate quartile deviation for the following data and some ungrouped data is given. The first thing that we have to do in this problem is we have to write these values in ascending order. Okay. So first let us do that. I'm just lifting this book so that I can write it. Now you write in ascending order. That we have first 35, 42, 48, 50, 55, 56, 60, 65, 75, 82. Okay, so I have written the data in ascending order. Now we have to find quartile deviation. So formula for quartile deviation is Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. Okay, so we know that we have to find Q1 and Q3. One second, I'll just zoom this little bit. We have to find Q3 and Q1. Okay, so now let us first find out how to find out Q1. Now Q1 is equal to n by n plus 1 by 4th value. Now here n is, how many number of items are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10. 10 is the value of n. Number of observations. Okay, we have found out that it is 10. So we'll just write it 10 plus 1 divided by 4, that is 11 by 4 equal to 2.75. So we know that, see, if you check that video, you will understand that quartile deviation are actually based on quartiles. Okay, so to find out quartile deviation Q1, first quartile, what we have to do is, what is here second, we have to write second value plus 0.75, that is this value, into third value minus second value. Okay, because first what we did is we found out quartile deviation Q1 first quarter n plus 1 by whole divided by 4th value. Now that is 2.75 value. Now how to find out that second value plus 0.75, that we got it from here, into third value minus second value. Now from the question we can find out what is second value. Second value here is 42. So we'll just write that 42 plus 0.75 into now here 48, third value is 48. So 48 minus 42, which is the second value. Okay, that is 42 plus 0.75 into 48 minus 2 will get 6. So that is 42 plus 4.5, that is equal to 46.5. Now this is our Q1. I hope you understood. Now next let us find out Q3. So in order to find out Q3, what we have to do is that simply in n plus 1 by 4, 1 by 4 formula, we just have to multiply it with 3. So that is 3 into n plus 1 by 4th value. That is 3 into 10 plus 1 whole divided by 4. That is 8.25 value, which is equal to 8th value. We have to, so how we have to find out 8th value plus 0.25 into 9th value minus 8th value. Now what is 8th value here in the ascending order? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is our 8th value and this is our 9th value. Okay, so that we'll write here 65 plus 0.25 into, we got the 9th value, that is 75 minus 65. So 65 plus 0.25 into 10, 65 plus 2.5, that is 67.5, and this is our Q3. Okay. In order to find quartile deviation, what we have to do? Q3 minus Q1 whole divided by 2 equal to, so Q1 we have already got it, 46.5, and Q3 is 67.5. So 67.5 minus 46.5 whole divided by 2 equal to 21 by 2, that is equal to 10.5, which is our answer. Okay, so it is simple only. You just have to find the Q1 and Q3 values, substitute it in the formula, you will get the answer. So if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section below. If you want me to do more problems related to this also, please let me know in the comment section below. Now let's move on to the next question. Now here we are going to calculate quartile deviation for group data. Okay, so we have some values here and we have number of students. We are going to calculate the group data value. For that, first I'll just rearrange the question. Ten to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and last one is 50 to 60. I'm going to write the corresponding frequencies: 10, 20, 30, 50, 40, 30. Okay, so the formula for finding quartile deviation is, again Q3 minus, quartile deviation is Q3 minus Q1 by 2. But here we have to find Q3 and Q1 and it is group data. In order to find that, QR, okay, this also I have covered in that previous video, LR plus R into N by 4 minus C, preceding cumulative frequency, divided by F into LR minus, or L2 minus L1. Okay, so this is the formula. Now first we have to find this R into N by 4th value. Okay, so we have to find Q1 here. So for Q1 this value will be, what will be this value? 1 into capital N by 4. Okay, so that will be this value here. So if we find out this value, we can find out the value for Q1. Now before that, we have to write cumulative frequency here. So let us find out the cumulative frequency. So 10, 30, 60, 110, 150, 180. And if we calculate this whole value, that is also 180. So capital N equal to this one. So to find out the Q1 value, Q1 item, we know that 1 into n by 4th class. So here it will be 180 divided by 4. So that is equal to, what is 180 divided by 4? 45. Okay. So now you check the cumulative frequency, the value which is greater than 45. So we can see that this is the Q1 class. Okay, 60 is the corresponding cumulative frequency. So now we have the value for Q1. Now like I said, this one, so I'll just write it here. LR, lower limit here is 20. This one. So I'm just rewriting here 20 plus Rn by 4, that is 45. Now this says the cumulative frequency before the frequency class, before the Q1 class. So that is 30. 30 divided by what is the corresponding frequency, that is also 30. So I'm just rewriting whatever is given in the formula. Now L2 minus L1 is lower limit minus upper limit minus lower limit. So that is 30 minus 20. So 20 plus 45 minus 30, 15 divided by 30 into 10. So that is, so Q1 is 25. Now similarly, same way we have to find Q3 also. Okay, so in order to find Q3 class, what we have to do is Q3 is 3 into n by 4. So 3 into n by 4 is 3 into 180 by 4, or we could do 45 into 3 is, that is 135. Okay, now here in the question you have to find out which is greater than 135. So that is this 150 in the cumulative frequency. So this will be your Q3 class. Okay, now we can just rewrite the same thing here. So here L1 will be 40 and the preceding cumulative frequency is 110. So 40 plus R into n by 4, that we found out, that is 135, minus the cumulative frequency before the Q3 class is 110. So I'm just writing it here, 110 divided by, what is the corresponding frequency? It is 50. 50 into L1 minus 50 minus 40. So that 40 plus 25, so the corresponding frequency is 50 or 40. Okay, so 25 divided by 40 into 10. So 40 plus 6.25, that is equal to 46.25. Now here our job is not yet done. We have to find out quartile deviation, that is Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. So we have 46.25 minus 25 whole divided by 2. So that will give you 21.25 divided by 2. So the answer is 10.625. Okay, now the video has gone really lengthy, but if you understood this problem, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you have any doubt, or if you want me to solve more problem related to quartile deviation, I'll definitely do it in the next video. Okay, so I'll solve 2-3 problems also in quartile deviation. So I hope you understood. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.